Are you looking for a high-paying remote job that allows you to work from the comfort of your home? Becoming a virtual assistant could be your gateway to earning up to $50 an hour. In this video, I'm going to show you everything you need to know to start a career as a virtual assistant in 2024. I'll break down the essential skills, where to find clients, and how to stand out to get the best-paying jobs. Plus, I'll share a secret tip on how you can scale your VA business to maximize your income. So, what exactly is a virtual assistant? In simple terms, a VA is someone who provides various administrative or technical services to businesses and entrepreneurs from a remote location. Tasks can range from managing emails, scheduling meetings, social media management, customer service, and more. With the rise of online businesses, VAs are in high demand, and you can tailor your services based on your skills and preferences. To become a successful virtual assistant, there are a few key skills you'll need. First, communication is essential. You'll be interacting with clients via email, phone calls, or video chats, so clear and professional communication is a must. Second, time management. Since you'll be managing tasks remotely, it's important to stay organized and deliver projects on time. And lastly, having tech skills. You don't need to be a tech genius, but being familiar with tools like Google Workspace, Trello, Slack, and Microsoft Office can give you a huge advantage. Now, let's talk about how to find your first virtual assistant job. One of the easiest ways to get started is by signing up on freelancing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or freelancer.com. These sites have thousands of clients looking for VA services. You can also check out dedicated VA platforms like Belay, Time, etc., and Zirtual. When you first start, you might have to take on smaller tasks, but with experience, you'll be able to land higher-paying clients. When setting your rates as a virtual assistant, it's important to consider your skill level, the complexity of the tasks, and the market rates. Beginners may start with hourly rates around $15 to $20, but as you gain more experience, you can raise your rates to $30, $40, or even $50 per hour for specialized services. If you're offering niche skills like social media management or bookkeeping, you can command even higher rates. Make sure to track your hours using tools like Toggle or Clockify to ensure you're charging clients accurately. Competition in the virtual assistant world can be fierce, but you can stand out by offering specialized services. Instead of being a general VA, consider focusing on a niche like social media management, customer support, or bookkeeping. Another way to stand out is by creating a professional website that showcases your skills, experience, and testimonials. Clients are more likely to trust a VA with a well-presented online presence. Before we wrap up, here's a bonus tip. Consider building long-term relationships with your clients. Instead of offering one-time services, aim to become their go-to virtual assistant, which will ensure a steady stream of income. Offering retainer packages can also provide guaranteed monthly income. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more tips on making money online, and drop a comment below on which virtual assistant services you plan to offer.